On October 30th, 2008, 3 youth pastors attempted to make a video for the upcoming Noise Youth Rally. They didn't plan anything, counting on their pure comedy genius to come through on video. This is what happened.
What do you want?
I was just looking at something with peanut butter. I love peanut butter. You know, or Nestle. Nestle NASCAR driver is the best. I don't know, Dale something, Junior, Ellie, I don't know. What are you getting?
The Noise.
The Noise. What is the Noise?
The Noise is Sunday night at New Covenant.
Okay, Sunday night, you gonna order Sunday night New Covenant. What is the Noise? Seriously, how are you gonna get the Noise through the window? I'm just looking for a tasty treat. Something to stir on, you know what I'm like?
I'm just getting mixed So, I'm this girl that comes to the Noise this weekend.
She hot?
She's real hot.
I'm hoping to kiss her while D-Hart's teaching.
So cannot put that on the video.
So, are you going to the Noise Sunday night?
I got a wrestling match.
So what am I doing?
You asked me what I want!
I'm so sorry.
Wow.
So the Noise.
Yeah.
You hear it? Our kids in their hands. They're probably never gonna come. Can you hear me now?
You hear that?
T-Buck farted.
That smell.
Shut up! Trading stocks on E-Trade. Yo, boo, hit me up later.
This is so terrible.
You ready? I'm ready.
Next time we
So what we really want to do is invite all you guys to the Noise.
Do you hear it? This is why no other youth pastors want to hang out with us. We have no friends.
I'm here to let you guys know that Jesus loves you. No matter what you look like. No matter. I'm ready, Zach Knox, wasting film.
What's up? Hi, Mom.
You should see all the stuff in the back of Zach's car. What is that?
This is so stupid.
live from
New York and Saturday night!
After what felt like an eternity, this is what we finally came up with.
Hey guys, be there at the Noise tonight because you know what? God's showing up. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be loud. It's going to be a ton of people. And you know, Zach, what's going to happen?
I mean, it's people all over the county coming together to worship God. So gym's going to be packed with all kinds of students there for one cause.
and this is your chance. I screwed it up. I'm sorry.
But it's okay,
You gotta
Daniel.
do all that over again.
It's okay, Daniel. Tonight, the Noise, New Covenant, 3 groups coming together. What are we going to do, Zach?
Man, it's going to be sweet. We got people from all over the county coming together with one cause, and that's to worship God.
Man, your generation has been quiet for too long, so be part of the Noise tonight. It's gonna rock.
We don't know how to end. Tonight, Sunday night, you need to be here. It's going to be awesome. The Noise. What's going to go on, Zach?
We're all heading to New Covenant tonight to have a huge, amazing experience, experiencing God. People all over the county are coming together.
Man, your generation has been quiet for too long, so be part of the Noise tonight. It's gonna rock.
The noise.
Do you hear it? I feel very awkward right now.
Do you hear it? Oh yeah! The noise.